How to set out of office in Outlook calendar. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you step by step. So first of all, you may just go ahead and open up Outlook on your device, search Outlook and basically open it up on your device and you should be finding this interface. Now what you may do next is once you're right here, you can look out for calendar option within Outlook. You may just head over to the section right here, calendar in the bottom left corner. Open up your calendar on your screen and here you will be finding it. Now here you may just go ahead and select the date range when you would like to set the date as out of office, the day you would like it as a holiday. For example, 16/17. So you can just go ahead and select up the date first, and then once you go ahead and select it, you may select up the time range. So you can just go ahead and once selected, again just go ahead and look out for this month option, drop it down, look out for schedule view option and schedule this option. And you may just go ahead and schedule it from when you would like to have this. Like you can set it as a out day, for example. And you can set up the start time. If you're all day not available to the office, you can select all day, or you can set up date like manually also. You can set it up like from this time to this time, for example 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. like this. You can make it recurring as well, or you can set it up all day. After that is then you can set up your location as well if you would like, and you can select a busy, out of office. This option right here, this one right here is out of office. You can select it up. After that, the reminder, your online meeting, everything you have to edit out before taking a leave. After that, click on save and close, and once you do, you will be finding this on your calendar. You can set it up this way, and that's it. So you may also follow the same process if you would like to do the same. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.